All right. Let's see what's going on. Oh, you guys see my screen now, right? All right. So gold, I'm already holding two runners here. Let's go to 4 hour. Like this 4 hour has no top wick yet. It's a little bit sketchy. Probably it's gonna come back here before going out down, but yeah. Let me see this 6 hour candle. 3 hour. 3 hours about to close. This support here. It's 4 hour, but let me see what happened in this zone here in the 1 hour. Yeah, we had that closed, retest and drop. Right? 2 hour candle closed back down. This one we tested that daily zone and dropped, which is this one here. So this 4 hour candle has no top wick, and I'm expecting to push somewhere around here again. I think in the, let me see, the 1 hour, somewhere around here before I start looking for sales again if I had to. But I have a runner here. Let me see, what is it? $17.98. My runner is here for sales. An entry here too. Once we came back to this moving average. I'm waiting for this, for Gigi to come right down here, which it didn't yet. Yeah, I think probably it's coming down, and probably this daily even go to retest this 8 moving average before pushing out again for continuation. Let's see. Let's see what happened over here once we break down and come back above. 1 hour straight up. Rejected, and pushed up. Let's see 2 hour here. Hour also. Josh, yeah. Let me see what zone you're talking about. This is this zone here, 95, 95 somewhere around here, which he's looking at the probably the 4 hour zone. Let me see. Um, or the 1 hour. Let me see. I don't trade the 4 hour zones. I trade daily up, daily, weekly. So if I had like if I wanna like to sell here, if the price is down here, I would wait for it to close below this zone here, which as you can see, we had no close below that zone yet. We're rejecting it all time here, right? Uh, I mean like let's go to 4 hour. So when you go to 4 hour, there's a lot of supports, right? Like it, we have one here, we have another one here, we have another one here. So which one is right? Which one are you be looking at, right? But if you go to daily, we have only one resistance here, which the previous dailies have all rejected, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 daily candles rejected this zone here, right? So let's go to the lower time frame and see if we have any like 4 hour since we break above that zone here, right? We had not breaking down yet. We have not closing down in the 4 hour candle. That means for me, if the 4 hour close below here, it's a good confirmation, strong confirmation to go down because 4 hour it didn't close down. Let's go to 3 hour candle and 3 hour neither closed down here, right? And 2 hour not like not even 2 hour, but the only time frame I think it was 1 hour, but it was like a fake out. So I wouldn't trust a lot 1 hour because we had closing below here and push up again, right? I mean you can try 1 hour closing back above here. It works, right? But I won't trust it that much because we had a fake out the here in the 1 hour, right? Yeah, no problem. So for this 4 hour has no top wick, which is sketchy. It can like it's very 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 weird when like 4 hour candle goes straight down with not top wick, right? If I had to sell somewhere around here, I would probably wait for the price at least that 4 hour to make that top wick to come at least here at this moving average, which is in the 1 hour. And 3 hour candle, 3 hour candle is about to close in 30 minutes, right? And let's see how we close. It's too low to sell, but can work for 10 to 20 pips. Yeah, I mean for sales here, I just don't like. I just have. I would like to close below this zone here. Would be awesome. Like if we close, even 1 hour, I can try it, but here faked out. It could be not here because we have daily going bearish, weekly bearish, right? So we probably gonna fill that weekend push to the weekly zone, which is this one here, down here. That's why I have my like last TP. It's down here with this weekly zone here. So as soon as we close below this zone, we good. Like maybe 1 hour, we can try the higher time frame. The strong confirmation is And we have that 30-minute moving averages for sales. 15 minutes it's ranging the moving averages. 5 minutes for sales. So I mean sales looking good, but that 4 hour I don't trust. I don't trust this 4 hour. It has to make that top wick. It has to. Let's see. GJ in here. GJ wanted to that push back down here, but it seems like still not coming down yet. I want it to come down here because this is the daily zone and also the weekly, right? Let me see something here. Let's see what happened in this red candle once we break down in the lower time frame. 4 hour. 4 hour does not look that good. Need to range a lot here before dropping here. This would be an entry here, but it's not looking good in 4 hour. Let me see daily. Daily straight up and straight down. So this daily come back above, closed above that weekly, above the moving averages, and usually press when you break the 8, it goes to the 50. But we have to look at the lower time frame and see what do we have there in the way down up there. There's no moving averages, only zones. So that's a good thing for to continue up because the moving averages are down there. There's nothing in the way. Right? But I do want it to come back down here, and this daily sometimes it come break down to come retest this 8 moving average before pushing up again. So I'm gonna waiting down here, or if you just keep going up, I'm gonna wait for above this zone. Rejecting the 2 hour moving average here, but I do believe it's still coming down before pushing up. Rejecting the 2 hour. Yeah, that 4 hour it has to make that top quick. It has to. It's a new 4 hour candle. Let's see my roller here. So I believe this one is coming up here or even here. I'm gonna close. I have another entry here, so I'm gonna close it because I know that 4 hours is gonna make that top quick before pushing down. Close this one here. Let's see. Abdullah, you're here? How are you doing? Oh yeah. What time is it there now? Oh, okay. So it's not normal. It's early for you, right? Oh, so today you are here for London. Look. Oh yeah. Let's see. It's uh, I think it's slow at this point. Just have to wait now. See what. I'm not. I'm looking for buys to be honest with you, because they have this daily closing above this weekly zone, which is daily too. We had the rejections here at the same time, at the same zone. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Hmm. It's possible too, but for me, I don't know. Just this daily tells me that it's gonna keep going up, which is the weekly too. But also, like you said, this weekly is still open, right? And the previous two weeklies they are below that zone, like you said. But yeah, but let's see what price come down here and see how we react, right? And they have this four moving averages for our showing buys, 3 hour, 2 hour. 1 hour only like daily showing says, but daily it's still far, and it can go retest somewhere around here before going down again. But let's see. Yeah. Which time frame do you want me to look? 15. Yeah, I do start. I start looking at 6 hours too. Yeah. Let me go see this file. Let's see the file. What is the 5 hour order block you said? Is it this here or this? Yeah. Well, that's what I want. That's what I'm heading. But I want to take buys from here. Mhm. Respect. Yeah, this one respected this one. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. It's possible too. Yeah. I think we see the market different maybe. Uh, you look more at the structure, and they look more at the like high time frame zones. I think, right? Like this one break above this zone here. This is what I'm waiting for exactly to happen here, right? This one can retest it and push up. Just because this one closed above that zone and the moving average is here showing me buys, I will buy here to push up. So I may get an opportunity like this here, but let's see. Yeah, yeah. I mean, as soon as I get from here to here, I'm good. Like I'm probably close like the most of it, and then the rest would be a bonus if we keep going up. But let's see. And that's why I want to buy from this zone here because I will have my stop below here, and then if I see any candle closing below here, I'm out. Something like this. Yeah, it's high. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Mhm. Yeah. This is what I look at. You see this one here? You see this candle as it broke? Let me do this. Like, let's say this is a daily zone or weekly zone here, right? You see this candle closing above this zone here? This is where I take my buys, right here, to push up. So I'm waiting for the same situation here, and if I see like 1 hour closing against me below that zone, I'm out. Then I will change my buys. Yeah. Gold is melting. Didn't even realize that gold 4 hour didn't even come up to break that top wick. So that's weird. It's very weird when it does this, when like making that top. Very nice. I'm up from here down to down. I'm up from all the way up here. Yeah. 30 minute high. Here. Yeah. Hmm. This 1 hour. Let me see. Yeah. Mhm. To go up again. 75. 75. Oh, that would be awesome. I'm expecting to come to weekly at least here, which is this one here to the left, which is this one. You're looking at the all time all time frame. Wow. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you combine all time frame and tells you what's gonna happen. Yeah. Uh-huh. Let's get the success. Mhm. Oh, sorry. Mhm. Yeah. True. It's daily. Yeah. Mhm. To retest again. Uh-huh. Push up again. Yeah. You are expecting it to come all the way down somewhere around here, 75. Yeah, and it's gonna break that. Yeah, that would be awesome if we come all the way down here. Yeah, it's a daily zone. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Either way, at least I'm expecting to come to weekly here. So, and then from there we'll see what happens. But yeah, it makes sense what you said. It's gonna take those buys and then push up. Wow, this 4 hour made no top wick, and they don't like that. I mean, I'm good, but I closed another one I had here because I thought it's gonna make that top wick and stop me at B. I closed with profit before coming up, but it is what it is. Yeah. So this zone here is very strong zone. The one you were talking about, I had it here. It's a daily. Yeah. First, this yeah, which is this one here. This yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. This but this 4 hour candle, it's still like has 3 hours to go. I don't like it. It still can go all the way up to make that top wick and push down again. But let's see, this for 3 hours is about to close in 8 minutes. Well, it's closing above that zone here. So yeah. Hi Sasha, how are you? Very good. Yeah. But this 4 hour candle, it still like has 3 hours to go. I don't like it. It still can go all the way up to make that top wick and push down again. But let's see, this for 3 hours is about to close in 8 minutes. Well, it's closing above that zone here. So yeah. Hi Tasha, how are you?
At 92 for this, on the, based on the 12 hours. The resistance of the support that we broke out at 92 and we're respecting this whole week and last week. Right, which we're buying from. It's 50%. Right, it's at 50% retracement from the bottom to the top. I've said it so many times where price comes down, hits the 50, goes up, and then comes back down and take all the fires out. Hits the 70 and then goes up. So I'm looking to buy 1775.
Alrighty, I got you, because I've seen that happening many times in smaller time frames as well. So price comes down 50% and then it just goes back up.
Goes up and then comes back down.
Yeah, and then also AJ 61.8. Sometimes it hangs. Yeah, sometimes it hangs and shows a reaction at that level, and then again fool around everybody, and then dip down further. It's like further into towards the bottom. Yep, I get it.
Exactly. I've said it so many times.
Awesome. Hopefully we'll get to, and then we are, I think, heading to your favorite zone, most awaited zone, I must say, AJ zone, 58, 56.
It has been rejected many times. Don't trust it this time. Be careful, because this weekly, daily, previous daily closed bearish, right?
Yeah.
And
I don't trust it today. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, and weekly, previous weekly closed bearish too. So at least we're gonna fill this week and probably keep going down.
I have a question. You guys can tell me, because I'm looking at 1 hourly candle, and that candle has a very long tail. Usually that gets filled with the next hour sometimes.
Really has a long tail? I don't see it.
No. I mean, on the 4 hourly.
4 hour?
See how it is.
4 hours.
This week here?
Because at my end, it's a bit different when it gets usually filled. When more. Oh, yeah. Okay. So previous 4 hourly got filled all the way down.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
So this 4 hour candle, it probably go up all the way up to make that top wick, and then go down again in the last 1 hour. Right?
Okay. Because why I see that, AJ, because usually London does a bit of opposite what Asian does. If Asian came down further, London is just going to push it a bit up and give a good price.
That's what I said.
Yeah?
I said that before you came.
Oh, really? You said that? Awesome. Because I thought you have 97 sell entry, so you'll close it in a bit.
Yeah, I'll probably close it, because yesterday I took a loss with the buys.
Oh. Oh, I remember. Oh, yeah.
Okay, GG is coming. Let's see what's going on in here.
You're buying.
I'll see how it reacts because I think this daily it can also come down, like I said, to this 8 moving average before pushing.
I'm bearish as fuck with GJ. I do not care what anybody says. It's gonna suck.
I mean, if you see it like that, you know.
It has to suck. Like, look at it on the monthly. Look at it on the monthly. Right? Monthly broke above. Zoom out just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
A little more.
Like
so
this.
you see the bottom, right?
Ah,
so you
okay.
you can see this area here, right? That's a monthly OB. That's one, right? Two, right? So this is a very strong area of resistance, right?
Mm-hmm.
Two, this area we broke above this area of resistance,
Mm-hmm.
right? And we need to, if we want to continue going up, we need to come back to retest here, and then to go up, because what the market doesn't go like this, right? We need to go down, up, down, like that.
Yeah,
right?
but you're talking about monthly, and that can happen like in 2-3 months, right? We're talking about what's going on in there now.
Yeah, so I'm looking to sell to here, and then buy from here.
Oh,
Right?
that would be awesome.
Right? Yeah, exactly. It's like you can see that this area is not going to break.
Yeah.
This area is not going to break. Like it's not going to break this area. But this is 2018. This area here.
Mm-hmm.
Right? This is not going to break. This time it's not. It doesn't make sense, right? If it breaks, it breaks. Hey, by all means. But just like by logic, this does not make sense to break right? We broke over here, resistance, right? We need to come back down to make support here. You can see, and we've been bullish for, what is it, 7 months? Literally 7 months, 7-8 months. We've been bullish.
Yeah.
Right? We need a pullback. That's just common sense. We just need a pullback to continue going up.
Yeah.
Right. That's all it is.
This is how I see this in the higher time frame on GJ, right?
And just for me, right? I don't even want to look at GJ. Like,
you see this? Yeah. So for me, this like we just see the maybe different. This candle has like 65 days to go. It's three month candle, right? This is how I see GG here. We have a resistance right here, right? And then we have like not the previous but the other one, the third candle closed above that zone, and this one rejected that zone, is closing above, and this one has still 65 days to go, and it did make sense because it came, rejected this 50, and then I'm expecting to push up, right? But let's see how this monthly candle close. If this monthly candle closes below that zone here, where I have this market, we're probably going to see some sells, like you said. Maybe I don't know where it's going to go. You know what I mean? Yeah. So let's see what happened. And yeah.
But just for me, like, I'm not even trading DJ, right? I'm not even trading DJ. I'm not even looking at DJ until end of summer.
Right? Oh, you're not trading it?
For DJ, this shit.
Yeah, it's not moving good, right?
What is it?
It's not moving right or something?
It doesn't move good. Like it's a known thing. Like it's not even DJ. It's everything, right? The only pair that really does move in summer is gold, right? So why am I gonna look at DJ and I know for a fact for the next like 2-3 months it's not gonna be moving good. It's gonna be very slow. You can even see it on the sides of the candles, right? GJ, we're used to seeing, you know, like a 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-pip drop, right? 50 pip drop with like a 30-minute, 1 hour candle. Now you don't even see that.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
Like this current 15-minute candle on GJ is 3 pips.
Really?
like why would I trade that?
Yeah. Oh, it's coming. Let's see. see what we have in here.
I put myself on mute because this guy's screaming.
He wakes up very early, huh?
Nah, he woke up because I woke up.
Oh, okay.
Like, he heard me get out of bed, and he gets pissed off when I leave the room every time.
What? How old he is?
He's a year and 4 months now.
Oh, okay. MashaAllah.
What time did Luke say he's coming on?
I think what's that, like Frankfurt Open or something like that, he said?
What's Frankfurt?
I have no idea, maybe 2? It's already 2 a.m. here.
What's up? What's up?
You, what's going on? Lion. Good.
1789, man. 1789 is where you can get your buying thing, bro.
Oh, 4 hours coming strong down here, huh?
But I tell you, sales, bro.
If you close below back here, I'm with you.
I'm telling you, man. You guys.
You know, but as soon as we are above this zone here, it's no sense for me.
So if you close below that zone.
Yeah, if we close below this zone, it probably like says workouts.
Yeah, it's too late.
Yeah, because then you're gonna run into this area right here, near your head, and it's gonna go up.
No, I was looking at it on Wednesday, bro. Look at it on
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Let's see this. Let's see. Yeah, it has to push here first.
And the runner on goals eating, boy.
I got clapped yesterday, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, really? You gonna cry about it?
Took my money back.
You gonna cry about it? Or you gonna do something about it?
I'm in sales right now.
See? That's the difference.
Yeah, that 4 hour probably is gonna make that top quick. I don't trust her.
We shall see.
Well, you're in these cells too?
Oh yeah.
But
Since
you're in late.
right here.
Bro, he's in from the top. What do you mean?
Oh, that's the same entry as me, damn near.
What's that?
I'm in a little higher though. I'm in right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
If you look on the 5 minute, when they broke that structure, that's when I got in.
Which one here?
Yep. Got
Uh-huh.
it right here.
That's awesome.
Okay, once it started consolidating, I just put stops at break even.
Oh yeah. Trying to understand 5 minutes too.
It's easy.
It's the same as the 1 hour and the 30 minute.
Yeah, but it's not. I mean, like I don't see it as a strong confirmation yet. I don't know.
This is not a strong confirmation if you just do it blatantly in any zone. I look at 5 minute around my zones,
Mm-hmm.
and it works 70%. And if I lose three or four times, that's good, because then I don't get mad because I use small stops like 12 pips, 15 pips.
Mm-hmm.
And the risk reward, like the trade I took yesterday was a risk reward of what, 9 something.
Luke's streaming already or what?
I don't know.
He's online. He's on the YouTube.
I got it.
Let's see.
My trade from yesterday was a. I can't see. Oh, 995 ratio. I'll be back.
See this weekly. Yeah, this weekly. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, let's see if we break straight down here, would be good to buy.
Today, 300 days left.
20 pips. That's a lot.
This month, which we can also see next time in next month that this might be a liquidity growth to continue moving further up.
Yes, come in. Gonna wait for this. We're probably gonna push more down before going up. It's rejecting that 2-hour 8 moving average, and at the same time it's a daily zone, so
Hello.
hello.
Hey Najim, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Not too bad. You just opening a buy position with you?
I want to say yes, but I don't want to say yes because people are gonna start buying very quick, and let's see.
Yeah, it looks good.
So, oh, my keyword is not working. My keyword is not working. Let me change this thing. My entry was at 152 to 28. So if this one, like, I'm gonna manage this in 1 hour. If we close below this zone here, I'm out, but it can also come to this 50 here. So let's see. And this let me see, where's my entry? 152, 228.
Yesterday also you make really good profit on gold, I guess.
I still have a runner on gold.
Ah,
Yeah,
nice man.
but let's see. Let me change the battery for my keyboard. I guess there's no battery. Alright. Anyways. Let me do this. So I know that we have that 50 there in 1 hour, but we have this 8 moving average in 2 hours. So 2 hours about to close in 46 minutes. If we close below that 8 moving average plus below that daily, and this is a daily zone and weekly, so I'm out. Great.
Gold also looks fine to me for sell.
Gold is coming down, but that 4 hour has no top wick, so it looks a little bit sketchy there, to be honest. Right, but it's coming down. It's good.
Are you still holding your runner?
Yeah, still holding there. Yeah,
Beautiful. With how many pips?
about 130 something. Let me see this.
Oh,
Let me
nice.
see this. GJ is. So the reason why GG I'm looking for buys, as explained, we have this weekly zone. We have weekly zone here, and also the daily, as you can see here, right? And this daily closed above that zone. This daily closed above that zone, which is weekly and daily. So this one, we can have push from up here. It can also come all the way down to this moving average here. So if we have that 1 hour closing below this zone, I'm out, because that way is coming to this. Right, so it's weekly too here. This zone, it's a weekly zone too. We're looking good for now so far. I feel like this is very big. Let's do this. had this planned from yesterday. If I have confirmation again, I will enter again. Sounds good, Ali. It was risky. Let me see. Let me see this 4 hour here. Yeah, 4 hours also down here, but so now at this point I'm thinking how to manage this, right? How to manage to not lose all this. I will see that chart now, Ali. One hour is 1 hour 50. This one. Yeah, it's possible too, but we have that 2 hour, so 2 hour 8 here. So if this closes below that 2 hour and below this zone, which is weekly zone, I'm out. I'm closing my trade there. Yeah, let's see. See if we close below this zone here. For London to go up. Hopefully not, Ali. Hopefully we come up from here. So this is 1 hour. Let's see 1 hour here.
Before sleep number was just that. It was just sleep. My sleep number 360 smart bed helps me stay at peak performance. Every moment of quality sleep makes every waking moment count.
You know what? I'm gonna manage this in the 15 minutes, to be honest. Let's see. Because that daily, like I said, it can come also all the way down here. But now I just had to know to get out.
Yeah, also I want to take sell.
5 pips.
I'm just waiting the 20-minute close for this.
Yeah, let's see how we close. If we close below this zone here, we probably see that sell is coming. All right. Pips, 4 pips. So So this is 12 pips here. 17 pips. Let's see. Yeah, any sales it has to close below that, otherwise we are above weekly. And yeah, let's see. The only moving averages I have for sales here is 15 minutes and the 5 minutes. The 30 minutes is still for buys. 1 hour is still for buys, and 2 hours is still for buys. Right, and also 3 hour. 3 hour. Oh, it came to 3 hour 8 moving average. Didn't see it, and has no top wick yet. And 3 hours just started, half hour away. And the 4 hour is for buys too. Just change it for buys here, right? We had that break here above that moving averages. Came back retesting it. Now it's pushing up above this. But let's see. Now just have to manage that risk once we break below that zone, and that's it. That's it. Thinking like more 3 hour candle. Let's manage here. We have the 3 hour 8 moving average here, we have the 1 hour 50 here, and we have the daily 8 moving average here. So it's a strong zone, but yeah. Mm-hmm. 30 minutes to closing in 2 minutes.
these two so you can know that we have this one here too. Gold is coming down. That 4 hour does not want to make that top wick at all. That's very weird when it does this straight down. You can see. Let's find another one here. They all have top wick and bottom wick. All the candles, only this one here, which is very small and close below that zone here. Um, this one has very small one. Yeah, they all have that top wick. Okay, 30 minutes closed. Let me see GJ here. 30 minutes closed. Um, closed above. Gold is bent. But it came down still. It touched that zone. I'm gonna close at another 50% here on gold. Off. 50% there. So GJ. So the 30 minute did not close below there. Now I'm gonna be watching the 1 hour because the one is about to close soon in 25 minutes. If we close below here, close my trade. Google or the speech in 55 minutes. Is that from for DJ? Okay, for Ian. So this 3 hours rejecting that 8. Let's see. I'm gonna give it here. Let's give let's give it some time to play out because I don't know. Here you go. Isn't it? You're right, Ali. Came to the 1 hour. Uh, Gold is rejecting for hour, and now buy. I'm already buys. I'm waiting for this 1 hour to close and see how it closes. If it closes like that, under that resist, like that zone, I'm out. Right? Green first. You want it to buy when it turns bullish. And close. That's good idea. So daily almost came that to the 8 moving average, like I said, right? Because I was expecting sometimes it does that. Sometimes it comes all the way down, touch it before pushing up again. But let's see if we get that push now. Yeah, yeah, as soon as it does not close below this zone, I'm good. Look at the fifth in the rejection in the 15. Yeah. 20 minutes to go. That's what I want to see, Ali. You know. 4, 5 pips, 6 pips, 6, 5. 2 more watching. So you know the tricks now, huh? Mm, 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 3 hour has no top wick yet, so that's a good thing. Hopefully we'll push and make that top wick. See gold. Gold is rejecting that daily. Hopefully we break, and that 4 hour has no top wick yet, so it's a little bit sketchy. It's rejecting this zone here, right? 4 hour has no top wick. Let me focus on gold here, LGJ. London Open is almost. Let's see if we have that push. Red is dying. It's not even moving now. Let's go, push, push, push. Make me that top wick on 3 hour. So this way, I'm not worried because as soon as they know where to get out, I'm fine. Like, as soon as they don't have this 1 hour closing back below here, I'm gonna hold this. It's, unless we can straight down very fast, then it's a different story. has 15 minutes to go. Yeah, we never know, so we just have to know what to get out. Um, yeah. So I'm gonna put this one. Gonna do this like this, so I can know that because as you can see, this weekly is still open, rejecting that 8 SMA in the weekly. So just be careful there. That's why I want to get out if we close below. Well, why is this not moving? Yeah, it's slow. I want to move this weekly up. It's not moving. Oh, sorry, you were drawing something. Um, where is that? Can I find it? I'm just gonna put a line here. Yeah, that 8 moving average in the weekly, it's stronger than any other moving averages. Yeah. So this 1 hour closing below that yellow line I have there, I'm out. It can come back and close above again, and we'll give it a second chance. Otherwise, it's going somewhere down here before pushing up again. Four pips. Gold is doing good, but yeah, gold. We want to see close below that zone here. A 143 pips, which is not bad. Okay, 11 minutes. I need only 10 pips from you, Nish. It's coming, it's coming. So like this day they closed above. Uh, it may what's going on down here. It's maybe like making that bottom wick, but just have to manage it and wait for the price to come back above this zone again. Like you know, this daily here closed above this zone here. And what's going on down here? Maybe this daily is making that bottom wick to push up, but we want to manage it even if it's just making that bottom wick. We don't care. Mm-hmm. 8 minutes. Just stay there. Don't move, please. So if this 1 hour close below this zone here, I'm going to let the price to do what it has to do down here, right? And then wait for the price to come back above this zone here again to show me that it wants to continue up, something like this. Close above this zone, we'll be looking for buys from this zone up again. But if like a 4 hour closing below this zone and the moving averages are for sales, then we maybe see some downtrend there. Two-hour candle. 2 hour candle also is gonna close below down. And 3 hour still has 2 hour to go. So I'm gonna look at 2 hour candle. So this 2 hour candle is gonna next candle is gonna come retest this 8 moving average and push somewhere around here down. If we close like this. 5, 5, 5 pips. It wants to close above. Has 4 minutes. Yeah. Let's see. 3 pips. Mm, 3 minutes. I want it to close above that zone, the yellow zone, and if you close above that 8 moving average, would be awesome. The 2 hour candle. Yeah, let's see if we get that push. The 5 minutes closing above this 8 moving average would be good. Let me go. We don't want to see something like this. If we close below that 8 moving average, usually come to retest that and push down. So I don't want that hit to happen here because should respect that 8 moving average like it did here, you know. Let's see how we close. London open almost. Six pips. Three 30 seconds. So the pot to close is closing below. See if we get that push up here before going down. Otherwise, closing straight. I think it's gonna retest this 8 moving average before pushing. This is London open here. gonna retest here. It's gonna retest this 8 moving average. That's when I will close. Right at my entry. Okay, I just closed my trade. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for close up back above this zone here. Otherwise, yeah, I just don't want to let it go more. But I'm probably going to retest and push down. 15 pips loss, right? But we managed there to trade. So we still can have that a little bit of push down. So this trade is closed. GU. Let me see. Let me see what this 2 hours is gonna retest that, you know. But now I can actually like try sales at that point, but it's not safe because we have a lot going on down there. But let's see. Right. I still think this 2 hours should come up here before pushing ever down, but let's see. 3 hour candle. Yeah, it's coming to daily, which is the 8 moving average in the daily here. It's rejecting the daily moving average. MT5 frozen. It's Najim question. What do you see when you look at the daily charts, please? Because this is what I see. Okay, let me see. Let me see that chart. So now if I want to buy again, I want to close above that zone where the price came down and closed below. I want it to go back up. I see. So you see sells, right? Why do you think it's gonna go down from here? That's my question. Because just made highs, like going down. I mean, Abdullah explained his view on that, but Let's delete this. So this is where it's in daily, like I said. We have this daily here, closing above this weekly zone here, right? As you can see, this daily closing below that zone here, and this one it break above, but all what happened above this was a top wick. So this one here, it could be something like that, and or it could go down. Like you never know. That's what I got out once we close below that zone. So now if I want to buy, that's the strongest zone I have there. I want to buy above this zone again, right? You see this 4 hour candle? Yeah, 4 hour 8 moving average right there. Mm-hmm. Can do this actually, but I don't have any zone to manage it. If it closes with it's gonna close just moving average. Let's see if we have any zone, strong zone here. Really, actually we do have a daily zone here, which is this one here, right? Oh, okay. Just it here, here. See, it's close below the two. This and this rejected this one and pushed down. Let's see what happened over here. Let's see. I'm just not convinced for sells yet because I don't see clear sells. Let me see how many pips is this stock is gonna be. 25 pips. All right, let's see. Is there anyone in sales? Very nice. Oh, you are in GU? Let me see. GU. It's playing the same as DJ. Is it that? It's it's a that zone too, which I don't remember which zone is that. I think it's daily maybe. Hmm. It's weekly zone here. Let's see monthly and also the monthly. Probably it's coming down here. GU. Yeah, GU probably coming down here. Yeah, coming down. And GG, we're just gonna wait. See what it does. Because he's pushing down. We don't have any clear cells yet. Yeah, coming down. And gold is frozen. Well, he's pushing down, Ali. Um, he has to come back above again and see what happened. For now, we're just gonna wait. because that could be like that daily making that bottom wick, right? But let's see. See what's gold doing. Gold is just frozen. Yeah, gold is having hard time to this daily to close below it. It's rejecting it. This one here, right? And this 4 hour has no top wick yet, so I don't trust this 4 hour. For gold 4 hour candle, it does something in the last hour. It's gonna push up and make that top wick. Unless we close below this zone here. Yes, there is tone. Let's see. Oh, I see we came back above again, pushed from this zone up. See, we have to wait for this break below this zone. Mm-mm-mm. No FOMO, right? That's why I closed that trade on GJ because close below that zone mean means close the trade like just like here 2 hours close below that zone. This one rejected it, came retested that zone and pushed down. I don't know how many pips that pushed all the way down here. I was waiting for that 2 hour at least to come retest that 8 moving average, but it didn't like it the way it was going straight down and it closed. So this one we need a close below this zone here. Yeah, next 4 hours. GG, gold. We have that breakdown tonight, like maybe New York session or something. But it's having a hard time. It's on here. Yeah, it's rejecting that zone. But that means the 4 hours rejecting it. Right. Oh, GA flying. Wait, I think I had a paper trade here. Wow. Okay. Forget about this. So it came above this zone. I don't know what this zone is because I have put this chart here like long ago. So we had that support made at that zone and push up. Let me see. I think it's weekly zone. No, it's not weekly. It's monthly zone here. Right here. Like um 2 hour candle. This would be the entry here. That's why I like these zones like this because this would be an entry right here once we come down here. And I don't know which one would be the TP. Not just below this zone. This would be the entry here. Look at GG. Sorry, sorry. 3 minutes is a mess. Oh, here. What? Price did not care about this zone. It just came straight down. Did not care about this. It did not care about this. Straight down. You know what I mean? For GJ now, we should have wait for that 4 hours to close, to be honest with you. Because if we close below this daily here and this one here, then I will be looking for sales below this zone down. Let me see the 1 hour. I mean, the 1 hour is still for buys. Yeah, 2 hour too. At this point, just like stay away. Even if you want to sell now, it's like very low. We didn't get that touch to this zone here, which I was like maybe get an opportunity for me down, but we didn't come that to touch like we did here after breaking above, came down with the chip. Mm-hmm. What you said, Joe? Yeah, it's rejecting that zone. I just have a small runner, so let's see what it does. Wow, crazy. See that 4 hour? I don't trust that 4 hour. Has no top wick. I don't trust it. So this one is going to be going all the way up here to this 8 moving average in the 4 hour, somewhere around here. You know, rejecting that zone very strong. You bought 15 minutes or five? Yeah. Yeah, that's why I said like this 4 hour is gonna do something the end of the candle. Uh, Probably is coming all the way up to here. Let's see what do we have in the 3 hour. Or somewhere around here. It's far away. 2 hour. Yeah, 2 hours right here. At least it's gonna push here.